before using Smart Underwrite, what challenges were you facing in your lending and underwriting process specifically?
The interesting thing about manufacturing a mortgage is that we operate in what is basically a zero-defect environment. The manufacturing process historically has been an extraordinarily human process. We in the industry tend to have multiple sets of people double-checking one another. It's extraordinarily expensive because you have to employ so many sets of eyeballs to double-check the exact same data point and ensure that the exact same data point fits into a schema or a total package that is eligible for sale to an agency or for insurance. Hugely expensive. We're human, we make mistakes. We don't always adapt to change very quickly. And more importantly, we also struggle to compartmentalize our set of knowledge from one loan program to the next loan program, right? So those are the challenges that I was facing and that I think every single mortgage company faces, to be candid with you. What I was trying to do was figure out how to know a loan sooner and earlier in the process, earlier than the third or fourth or fifth human in the loop, right? So we have, 5, 6, 7 humans in the loop on a transaction. And I wanted to get to the point that we had a thorough understanding of our transaction after like the second or third human in the loop. The most critical part of manufacturing a loan is completing the underwriting decision. It is truly your linchpin to whether you're going to have a loan that is eligible or not. For our company, my intention was to find a way to present better, cleaner information to the underwriter so that my underwriter would have a second or third set of digital eyeballs looking at the loan with him or her, but append it with support from technology that historically they really hadn't had.